So this is the second program which we have done on that day. You can add one more statement
Yeah.
at the top here. Actually, in C language we use header files, hash include stdio.h, is it not?
Correct. Yeah.
Otherwise, in C++ we use iostream.h. So in a similar way,
Yeah.
here also in Java, we need to write import statement, import java.lang.star. So this is not mandatory, this is optional, this one.
Okay.
So actually this is called as package. Lang is the name of the package. I let you know this, just a minute. I will copy this here and explain this. So what are packages? So separate concept of package is there. Then I will define this package and all these things. Don't worry. It is a subfolder that
Okay.
consists of, till then just remember that it consists of classes and interfaces. Okay. So a package consists
Okay.
of classes and interfaces of similar nature. Okay.
Okay.
Like that. So in our program on that day, we have seen couple of classes we have seen. I will show that just a minute. What are the predefined classes in this program? Predefined classes.
Void main.
Classes. Class
Oh,
always.
class demo. Sorry.
Demo, that is user defined. I am talking about
User
predefined.
defined. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry.
Predefined, I want. Class name always starts with capital letter. Is it not?
Yeah.
String is a predefined class.
Right.
System is also a
System
predefined
dot.
class. System, not dot, only system. System is
Yeah.
also
Yeah.
a
System.
predefined class. Two predefined classes are there in this program. And one user defined class is there by name demo.
Demo.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how many predefined classes are there in this program? Predefined.
Predefined two.
I'm stressing. That's why. You are
Yeah.
telling
Yeah. Yeah.
demo is user defined, right? In the beginning, you told
User
demo
defined. Right.
is
Right.
user defined. But
Yeah.
I'm very keen that I want predefined string.
Yeah.
Just by looking at that program, we can recognize, because generally class names start with capital letter.
Capital letters.
Is it not? So other
Yeah.
than this string, wherever capital letters are there, they are all classes. So here demo is
Okay.
also a class, but the only difference is it is my own class. I can write any name,
Yeah.
but here I should not write any other name other than string. And here also I cannot write any other name other than system. Okay.
System.
These two are predefined classes, string and system. These two classes are present in lang package. This is the name of the package in which string and system classes are present. Okay.
Okay.
Star means all. Lang, after lang, can you see dot star?
Yeah.
Dot star. I let you know. I will write here. This is the example. For example, I have taken here this one. So many packages are there like this. I can tell you, like import java.io.star is there. Then so many are there, but in the basic program which I have done, only this package is required, but it is not mandatory. Other packages are mandatory. This is the only package which is by default imported. Please remember this statement. This is the,
Okay.
or I can write lang is the package. Already lang package I have written there. That's why I can write this is the only package which is by default imported. Means what? What is the meaning of this word, of this sentence? This is the only package which is by default Import
Imported.
means it is done already. You need not do that.
Okay.
Okay, that's why I have not written in my basic programs. See, another basic program which I have done on that day, animal program. So did I import in the beginning?
No. Yeah.
But still it worked fine or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
It worked. Both the programs worked, demo as well as animal.
Correct.
Even without giving that, it they worked fine. How is it possible? That's what I'm saying. By
It is
default, this is the,
imported.
yeah, this is the only package, lang, by name lang. Lang is the only package which is by default imported. Means as a programmer, you need not to do that. If you do, okay, no problem, but I am saying unnecessary. Unnecessary means we need
Yeah.
not write that. Unnecessary means we need not. If even if you write, program will be compiled and executed, you will get normal output. But unnecessary I am saying, because
Okay.
by default it will
It
be
is
there.
already imported.
Yeah, yeah. This is the only package. But this the other packages like import java.io.star, import java.util.star. So many are there. The list is very big. And import so many. Import java.sql.star. So many will come. All these things will come in our course. Import java.awl.star, swing.star. So many. Swing.star. Like that, there are so many packages. And remaining all packages, it is mandatory to import based on the situation demanding. Like if you are using
Okay.
some other classes like a buffered reader, input stream reader, those classes are present in IO package. Means you have to import that, otherwise they will not work. Just like you are using stdio in C language, because
Yeah.
standard input output functions like printf, scanf are present in stdio. You need to include that header file. Just like header files in C language, we are having import statements in Java. Okay.
Okay.
But which works efficiently is an interview question actually. Which works efficiently? Which works efficiently? Import or include? Import means we are using actually, and one more thing I want to tell you, star means all classes and interfaces. Okay. Here star means
Okay.
I write here, star implies all classes and interfaces. See, in all these statements at the end, I have given star. Is it not?
Yeah.
And star means
Correct.
all classes. See, I have given the definition for package. Package consists of classes and interfaces,
Interfaces.
similar nature or similar type. Okay. So
Yeah.
I don't want to go with one or two classes or interfaces. I want to import all the things. Just like, see, when we go for shopping, we purchase so many things, but we don't use all
Yeah.
of them in a single day, is it not? We may use one or two
Yeah.
things. We purchase so many other things which are required in future, is it not? In a similar way, we
Yeah.
have to import all the classes and interfaces so that sometimes you may use one or two classes, sometimes you may require to use additionally two more, or if you expand the program again you may require two more or three more or four more classes and interfaces. So that's why if you can import star, I mean java dot lang dot star, or of course lang dot star by default it is imported. For example, in case with io dot star, if you do io dot star, all classes and interfaces present in io are imported, and you can use
Okay.
any of those classes and interfaces, any of them you can use.
Okay.
That is the meaning of star, and java is nothing but jvm. Okay.
JVM. Yeah.
Import is a keyword. Import is a keyword, so that you can import.
Keyboard.
Now the question is that which works efficiently, import or include? Simple answer is import statement.
Import.
Why I will tell you. Import works efficiently. That is an interview question actually. Why? So I can tell you one point. Let me come back to C language. I explained this in the beginning, I think. Let me check. If I did not explain, I will tell you right now. Yeah, we already have done something here. In C language, let us come back to C or C++ for that matter. In C, you compile like this. I copy this again. This is for C code, right? So in a C language, you type source code. This is source code, you know that. I told you, right?
Yeah.
Source code or source program, you can call it as. And then comes, this is the object code. When compiled, you get that object code. This is
Object
object code. When you compile your program, you can get that code. And this is executable code. This is executable code, executable file or code, you can say executable code. So these are the things. Actually, again, an entry question is there, especially these two. Which among these two files consists of more lines of code is an entry question. Okay. Which
Okay.
in C language it is an entry question. Which among these two files consists of more lines of code? Is the question. Which among these two files consists of more lines of code? .obj or .exe?
.exe.
Yes, because .obj consists of only .obj consists of only your code. Is it not?
Yeah.
Your code means your code starts from where? Inside main function, whatever you write. If I write C program
Right.
like this, dash include stdio.h,
H.
inside that you can do some code like printf learning Java. Right. Okay. This is the code given here. So this is your,
Yeah.
I'm going to separate here. See, I'm going to put a separation line in between. Why I'm putting like that in the sense, this is your program.
Right.
Only learning Java is your code. Using printf, you are going to print that. But in order to printf work, printf is a predefined function. Main is a predefined function, and the code of printf, even predefined, will be also having some code. Just like ready-made dress will be also stitched somewhere. Is it not?
Yeah.
So some code will be there for printf. That code is present inside.
stdio.h.
So you can believe that this stdio has whole lot of code here like this. Is it not? That we
Yeah.
don't know. Just ready-made code is there. We just use this statement only. Means this whole lot of code will be executed by writing like this. So when you compile your program, only this code will get executed. During compilation, only this code will get executed.
Execute.
Only this code. Which code? Inside main function, whichever code is there.
Yeah.
Code. What about the other code? After compilation, another step is there. Linker will come into play. Linker is there, loader is there. Loader and linker are playing a vital role. What is the job of linker? Linker will link section. This is called as link section. It will link with your program. Because link is required, just like this is the engine. This is the engine. Or you can call this is the head.
Yeah.
Train head. Without head, how can this code run? These are
Correct.
bogies. These are bogies. Our code is bogies. Without head and heart, how the other code can run? Tail cannot run without head, right?
Yeah.
Body or tail cannot run without head. So this head code should be connected with this code. Okay, this code will get compiled. This highlighted portion will get compiled, will get executed only during compilation. During compilation only, this code will get executed. But what about during execution? During execution, both this code and this entire code will be executed during execution. Okay.
Execution.
Yeah, I will write that here. This. During execution, this entire code will get executed. Since I can write like this. During execution, this entire code.
Entire code will.
Yeah. That is the difference. Means which file consists of more lines of code. This is .exe.
Execution.
I tell you that a .exe file will be generated here. Okay. During execution, this entire code gets executed. Means this is big or the previous one is big. The previous one is during compilation only this part.
Yeah.
But during execution, where more lines of code is there?
During execution.
That's why .exe file consists of
more number of code lines.
Even majority engineering students around the globe, majority don't know this answer. So .exe file of more lines of code. Dot
OBJ.
That is the conclusion. Now let us come back. And one more important thing is execution is very important. Without that, you cannot get output, right?
Yeah.
And are you putting a lot of burden on your execution engine or not here?
Yeah.
Are you putting a lot of burden or not?
Yes.
Because it is going to run your code and also stdio code. I mean header file code. Is it not?
Yeah.
That is the problem. But let us come back to Java. C++ also same story. C or C++, only you write .cpp here for C++, .cpp. Okay. But what about Java?
Okay.
Let us come back to Java. Let me copy that code, whichever we have done before. I will copy this. Luckily, I told you JVM architecture also. Now you can easily understand this. So here also, I'm going to divide like this. Okay.
Okay.
So here, this code will be executed. During. So I told you in JVM architecture, dot class files gets loaded into class loader subsystem. Is it not?
Yeah.
At that time itself, at that even before to that, this will be executed. Okay.
Okay.
And JVM will execute only this portion. Means what?
Okay.
Head somebody executed, tail somebody executed. Is it not?
Hmm.
Means
Yeah.
JVM will not be overburdened or not.
Yeah.
JVM is heart.
Because the work is
JVM
split.
is very important. Java virtual machine is the heart. It should not get overloaded. Is it not?
Yeah.
Because it is doing so many services. So if it is getting overloaded, things will not happen. That's why JVM will do only this task. Means it is easy for it. And this code will be taken care by somebody else. Even before dot class file getting loaded into class loader subsystem, this will be executed. This code will be executed before dot class file getting loaded into class.
Class
Yesterday
loader.
I explained this class loader
Yeah. Loader.
subsystem. Is it not? That's why the
Yeah.
obvious answer is, see, there is no overburden. Simple division of work is there, isn't it? 2 points are there.
Yeah.
Execution of this statement and then execution of this code. Clearly, burden is not there on JVM. And who
But
will
yeah.
execute this portion? This code.
JVM.
This code in the sense starting from main method. This part, this code, this class code.
Yeah.
Class code. This code will be executed by Java virtual machine. That's why the answer is, as discussed earlier, import works efficiently.
Port.
So children, import is run by whom? I can tell you. For example, say if I am teaching only Java, Python, C, C++, okay for me. Okay. If somebody asks me to learn testing tools and .NET also now and teach, how difficult it is for me? My quality will come down or not?
Yeah.
I'll get confused
Yeah.
also. In place of system.out.print, I may write simple print statement, or printf I can write. I may write. Is it not? Because
Yeah.
doing so many things on the same day, it may lead to confusion. Is it not? So I may not be that much effective, right? That's why that is the difference. See, if you more quality you can expect in Java, because this particular portion works efficiently because it is taken care not by JVM. Before JVM's interpretation, this is done. Okay.
Yeah.
But on the other hand, your C or C++ program, this part of the code, here it is. So where it is? Yeah, here it is. See, hash include is run as well as your code will be run during execution. అన్ని తీసిపోయి అందులో డంప్ చేసినట్లు అయింది, అంతే కదా? So hash include may not be that much efficient when compared with import statement.
Import statement.
Okay, so some equal
Yeah.
division of work is there in Java, but unlike the other case where, of course, this your program will get executed during compilation, but along with your program, hash include stdio, that is the link section, will be also executed. That makes more, that creates more burden on your execution engine, and that creates, I mean, this doesn't work much, because along with that this should be also taken care. That's why its performance will come down. Stdio performance will come down. Include command hash include,
Mm-hmm.
that link section so called, its performance will come down. That's why import works efficiently when compared with hash include. Okay. Today we started
Yeah.
with import statement. Today we got one more step ahead, right? So, and I
Yeah.
repeat, this is the only package which is by default imported. You need not do this. If
Imported.
you do also, no problem, no issue. But unnecessary, we can tell. And remaining import statements are all mandatory. These are all mandatory.
Mandatory.
Yes, these are all mandatory, because there are so many classes, interfaces present in those packages. And what is a package? It consists of classes and interfaces of similar kind, similar nature.
Similar.
And the separate concept is that package. Then we will discuss about package. Okay. Now we can
Okay.
do a couple of programs. Theory is done, right? Majority theory is done. We
Okay.
few more programs so that we can be strong slowly in programs as well. Yes. Save it. And I explained what is public, what is so system dot out dot print and all these things I explained. We can straight away move with our programs. So I find addition of couple of numbers in this program. Okay, is import statement
Okay.
mandatory? Is import required? I don't want.
No.
I want to go only with the system and the string classes in my program. So import is not needed.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
class already demo is there. That's why I changed the name as edition as the class name, because I can write any name
Okay.
that is user defined class, isn't it?
User defined.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So inside that, let me go with interesting topic I will discuss. Little logic is there. And in place of ARGS, you can write any name. That also we are giving an option. That is not only ARGS. You can write A, B, C, anything you can write. X, Y, Z also you can write. Okay,
Okay.
because it is array name, just like variable name,
Yeah.
array name can be anything. Okay, but generally we write args or args means some arguments you can pass. In that sense we write args, but any name you can write there. You can write xyz also,
Okay.
like this you can write as well. That is also okay, but better we write args so you can understand. Very simple program. Int a is equal to 5, comma, b is equal to 7, b is equal to 7, sum, see, sum is equal to a plus b. And I want to display sum. How to display sum? System dot, how to display? System
Out.
dot
System dot out dot print
system dot out means monitor. Monitor dot
on it.
print, or print ln
Print.
also.
Println. Yeah.
In double quotes, I write like this. Whatever you put in double quotes, it will come as it is. Okay.
Yeah.
And we have to use concatenation operator, means joining. The part whichever you have written in inside double quotes means the string whichever enclosed in double quotes, it is joined
Yeah.
with The actual output is present in the variable
Sum.
sum. So let me add that variable sum. That's it. Done. Some twists are there in this program. I'll let you know. Wait. Let me save this program. How to save? What is the name of the class? Addition.
Addition.
And without double quotes, will it work? That also we will check. Addition dot spelling should be same. We should not change. Same
Okay.
spelling.
Yeah.
Addition dot Java. Right. Let me check whether we can run this or not. How to run? Go for CMD.
CD.
What is the path? Equal CD your name and then CD programs and then
Programs.
Java
Addition.
space
Java C.
addition. You can type 1 or 2 letters and hit a tab. It automatically comes.
Yeah.
Okay. Compiled successfully. Yes. Then execution. Who will execute JVM? Java space
JVM. Java addition.
addition. Fine. It is working.
Yeah.
But see what I am doing this time. See, this variable is not required. I will do another program. Otherwise, that is not disturb this. See here. Addition 1 I am putting. Already addition is there now. Addition 1 I am putting. Okay. Here.
Yeah.
I don't want to take some variable. Like that also you can do. I don't want to put extra statement like this. Directly here. See the output coming in another way. What is going to happen? Can you expect? You will get wrong output. Why? You have to answer.
Okay.
See, 1 dot because the name of the class is addition 1, right? Now let us program. Let me close this. Compiled successfully. If I execute, what will happen? What is the output?
Oh.
Huh?
57.
That is wrong.
557.
57.
Yeah.
But what is the desired output? 12. You should get 12. What is wrong here?
12.
See what is happening inside double quotes. You got as it is or not? Sum is equal to.
Yeah.
That is joined with the A. What is there in A? 5.
5.
And it is joined with what? B. And what is there in B?
7.
So if we join 5 and 7, what will happen? 57.
Yeah.
But that is not the desired output. So what is the desired output? See, same statement. I'm just modifying a bit. System dot. See that I'm just correcting that. And I'm adding print. Before that, I'm adding print ln. I told you before, right? If I write print, both will come adjacently. I don't want like that. In a new line, I want some output. That's why I'm doing like this. Sum equals. Now I am taking utmost care like this. Got it? So what I have done.
Okay.
See, sum is joined. Sum is joined because concatenation operator, it behaves like. But inside brackets, whatever I have taken, they are considered as variables. A. What is there in A? 5. That is
5.
not joined. That is not joined here. That is added with.
That is concatenated.
Because they are in brackets. Here, same plus is behaving as concatenation operator. Whereas here, same plus is behaving as addition operator.
Addition.
So plus has 2 meanings. Here it is behaving as concatenation operator. Whereas here it is behaving as addition operator. Right? Got it? Now I will save this. I will run this. You will get both the outputs. Here, what is the output? It is going to be 57. What about here you can expect? What is your expectation?
12.
Right. Comments will not be compiled. They will be ignored, right? I have written a
Yeah.
comment here. You got both the answers, 57 and 12.
Yeah. Correct.
If you want to join, go ahead like that. Don't use brackets. If you want to really find some, put them in brackets. See, the advantage in this program is I have not taken another variable. Sum is not required. In the previous program, I have taken some variable, another variable by name sum, but it is pretty unnecessary, is it not? You can do, this is called as binary addition, second step, not the first one. This in fact can be called as binary addition. Binary means two. Binary means two. Two means what? Two operands. How many operands are there? A is an operand and B is also an operand. And between them, which operation is applied? Plus.
Addition.
Addition operator is applied between the operands and B. Plus is an operator. A and B are operands. Okay. Yes. You understood this?
Yeah.
Same application, one more twist. Let me add. New, paste. I'm putting addition 2 this time. Okay. Now see what I am doing. You understood this. I'm just deleting this. Okay. That is not the issue right now. That issue is over. You understood. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what I want to do is see. I'm just removing these two things from here. Okay. And I'm trying to put them here. Int A is equal to 4, comma B is equal to 5 or 7. Doesn't matter. Okay. See, I'm saving this. Addition 2 dot Java. Addition 2, right? 1 is over, right? Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
All right. So, are A and B static or non-static variables? Tell me. If I write static before them, they are static variables. Okay.
Static. Yeah.
Now I can tell you that A and B are static variables.
Static variables.
If I don't write static, they are non-static variables. Non-static variables can be also called as instance variables. The other word is instance variables. Can be also called as instance. Static means instance variables. Okay. Now see here, variables are instance. Main method is
static.
Means are they compatible?
Yeah.
Are they compatible? Non-static variables are non-static.
Yeah.
And main method is static. Non-static versus static. Let us check whether they are compatible or not. Okay. We'll check whether they are compatible or not. If incompatible, we will change the code. No issue. These are all important things. See, blunder. So what is the problem? It is saying, it is not saying. Use minus help for a list of possible options. Minus help. Oh no, it should not work like that. I think we have to do like this. Oh, no, there is some other way to do like that. Okay, whatever it is not correct. What is the problem? It is not showing. If it is old version, it will show there itself. This is the latest version. It is not showing. I mean 1.7, not the latest, but 1.7 it is not showing. Just 1 second. Student is calling. Okay, notion, sir.
Okay. Fine, sir. No problem.
Cheppu Yatin. చెప్పు. నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా, 10 నిమిషాలు అయిపోతుంది. చెప్పు, పర్లేదు చెప్పు. 10 minutes తర్వాత చేస్తావా? సరే సరే, ఓకే, రైట్, ఓకే. So here, actually, if I am using 1.5 version, it would have shown that non-static variable in static context will not work. Okay?
Okay.
Because this is non-static. These
Right.
two are non-static. And main method is static.
Static.
Main method is static. Variables are non-static. Now see what I am doing. Got it?
Yeah.
Let me keep this program as it is. You should know. I will do another one otherwise. Control A, copy, file, new, edition 3 I am taking. Okay.
Okay.
This time I go with, what is that?
Static.
Static variables, don't call them as instance. Just static variables. So
Static.
we have to use, yes, TA.
Static.
Static keyword we have to use. Now matching or not? Perfect matching.
Yeah, no matching.
Variables
Perfect.
are static. Variables are static. Main method is also static.
Static.
Both are static. No issue. Let us see what is going to happen. Edition 3. Is it not? Even double quotes are not required.
Yeah.
Directly you can save. Edition 3 dot Java. Right. Now let us run this. Let us see what is going to happen. Success. Previously, compilation problem came, but now no such problem.
No compilation problem.
It's working fine. No issue at all. Great. Sum is 11. Yeah, 11. 7 plus 4, 11. Right. Is it not?
Yeah.
It's working. So what did you understand? Main method is static. You cannot change. Always it is static. If I remove static here, will it work? Main method? No. I told you, na? Main method should be always static. But variables, they can be either static or non-static. But if I go with non-static, incompatible with main method, compatibility issue is going to arise. How to solve? Make them as static.
Static.
Got it? But
yeah.
One more twist. In books, they won't write these many programs. Just by doing, we can understand all these things. Right. Edition 4. Now see what I am doing. In place of here, but here inside in the first program, what I have done, I have taken like this. You remembered? Int A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 7. Like this I have taken. Let me save this. Edition 5. This is see how many variations are there in these little programs. So it worked fine. You remembered that one?
Yeah.
First program I explained this only. Again, I will show you it works fine or not. Then I will change that a bit. Yes, it is working.
Yeah.
Got 12. But see what I am doing. A and B are static or non-static?
They are now static, sir, because it is in the main method. This one.
Even if you don't give static also, still they are by default they are static. Right? But if you go with static, what is going to happen? That is important, right? If I go, now it work? It should not work because you only told just now A and B are static because they are inside main method.
Main method.
Means inside
Yeah.
main method, whatever you give, they are by default static. Why the hell
Static.
we give again static? Now conflict
Yeah.
arises. Suppose let us check. But illegal
One error.
start of expression itself illegal. Means this is illegal. Got
Yeah.
it? That is the problem.
Correct.
So this will not work. Together,
And yeah.
this will not work. Which will work? Don't give static. Directly you can give like this. Okay. Directly you can give like that. Now it will work. It worked. Sum
Yeah.
equals 12. It worked fine. So that is the way. So these are the things which we have done. And the same program we can try, and let us put one point here. By default, what is that? The variables inside main
The main
method
method of static.
or will be static. By default, they will be static only. We need not give, don't give static again. We need not give, we should not give, in fact. Should not give, we should not use static keyword again. Now it adds full meaning for that. Is it not?
Yeah.
It's about that. So similar programs we will do with the class and object also. We try one program. Can be
Okay.
strong with basic programs now so that we can move ahead in the next class. Now we will do one more, but with the class edition, class name which I'm taking. What is the last program? 5 or 6?
Five.
5 is done.
Yeah. Five. Five.
Let me take variables. P. And you can initialize here itself. In C++, we cannot initialize, but here we can initialize straight
Okay.
away. That is another difference between C++ and Java. Here we'll go with a function, I mean a method, void.
Method.
We'll take method name as, method names generally we start with small letters. I will take find function, find as, if it is a combination of two words, method names generally if they are a combination of two or three words, first word should start with a small letter, second word onwards they should start with capital letter,
Capital letter.
like this. Okay, second word onwards.
Okay. Yeah.
Of course you can go with small also, not mandatory, but you can recognize as if it is a method
Correct.
if you do like that. Okay, but anyways I'm going with single word, and underscore is allowed, but hyphen is not allowed. If you want to separate couple of words, means this is okay,
Yeah.
but this is not allowed. Okay,
Hmm.
now I want to go with this method. Inside that, let me find sum. Sum dot and then, or print n is fine. Print is fine, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
The one statement is there, that's why.
Correct.
Here what shall I write? Shall I do like this? Any
Brackets
mistake?
A plus B.
You should be careful there. It is C++, we doesn't require brackets. Directly you can write,
Okay.
because that plus is different. That is not concatenation. But in Java, plus is having two meanings. One is concatenation, the
Hmm.
other one is addition.
Addition.
Yes. So I want to close the class. How to close? Before closing, I want to put
Public static void.
This brace is closed for method. Method is closed,
Method. Yeah.
but not class. Class is still not closed. Is it not?
Yeah.
You can give like this also. I told you, right?
Correct.
That is also correct. And inside, what is the first job? You have taken a class and there is a method in that. Is it
Method.
not? So
Yeah.
how to invoke the
Yeah.
method? Using object only you can invoke. How to create object for
Yeah.
this class? Yes. Space. We will take obj is equal to new addition 6. Got it? Object
Yeah.
is created. What is the next step?
Created.
Invoke the method with the help of object. Object dot
Object.
find. Done? No, no, no. One
Yeah.
more thing is required. Main method is closed. What about class?
Class. Yeah.
Got
Correct.
it? Now you can save it.
Yeah.
Which name we have to save? Only one class is there. Edition 6. That's it.
Edition 6.
Let us run this. Then we will understand that code. Success. Got it?
Yeah.
Edition 6 executed fine. Sum equals 12. How to understand this? So program execution is started by whom? Execution.
JVM.
Yes. From main method. What is the first
Main
step
method.
inside that? We have created.
Object
JVM
creation.
immediately thinks, oh, this programmer has created an object for which class?
Yeah.
Edition 6.
Edition
So
6 class.
immediately it will go to edition 6. Is it really there or not? It will check. Okay, it will check whether
Yeah.
what we have done is correct or not. It will check. Yes, edition 6 is there, allowed. When class is there, yeah, you are allowed to create object for that. If I write some other name here, see what is going to happen. Let me see. Now if I execute, what is going to happen? Here also, if I remove this, if I go with addition, what is going to happen? Let me check. Let us check. See the mistake? It is showing cannot find
Variable
symbol
object.
obj. Whose object
Yeah.
obj? Addition object. Is addition class present there?
Correct.
No addition. Addition 6 is there.
6.
Got it. When idea is not
Yeah.
there, what is class? Class is idea. When idea is not there, how can we create object for that? Is it not?
Correct. Yeah.
That's the logic. So it should match. So whichever class you have taken earlier, create object for the same class. Then obj.find. Now it is allowed. Control transfers to find. Inside find, what we
Yeah.
have done? A plus B. Immediately JVM will check. What is the what is it static or non-static? Tell me.
Hmm.
Static variables. Non-static, na? Non-static or not? We have gone with non-static variables. A and B are non-static or not? Hello? Hello, sir? Hello? Hello? Oh, we lost it. Hello? Hello? హలో
హలో
హలో వినపడుతుందా అండి?
ఇప్పుడు
హలో ఐ కెన్
ఇప్పుడు
హియర్ యూ.
జాయిన్ అయింది సార్, నెట్వర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్.
ఎక్కడ మీ దగ్గర? ఓకే. నౌ కెన్ యూ హియర్ మీ?
యా నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫైన్ సార్.
Okay, right. Okay. So in this program, we are up to here, right? Object dot. What kind of
Correct.
variables are A and B?
Non-static.
Yes, because static keyword I have not used. What kind of method
Yeah.
is find? Find method. Any static keyword before find?
Not non-static. Yeah. No.
Yes, non-static method find. Right? So compatible or not? They are compatible, pretty compatible.
Yeah.
So A and B will work because find is non-static. A and B are also non-static. No issue at all.
Non-static.
They worked fine and we invoked them. Is it not?
Yeah.
So still more modifications we will see on tomorrow, sir. Can I close with this for today?
Okay.
So
Yes sir.
Yeah, so many differences we have observed.
Yeah.
Okay, right, sir. Thank you. We'll meet in same timings on tomorrow.
ఓకే సార్, టుమారో భోపాల్ లో ఉంటాను నేను.
రేపా భోపాల్?
అక్కడ ఎలాగుంటుంది, ఆఫీస్ పని మీద వెళ్తున్నాను.
ఓకే.
ట్రైనింగ్ ఒకటి ఉండింది.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే. మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడు మరి రిటర్న్ అయ్యేది?
వెళ్తున్నాను.
When you are going to
3 days సార్. సండే ఈవినింగ్.
సండే ఈవినింగ్ ఫ్లైటా?
సండే ఈవినింగ్ ఇంటికి రీచ్ అవుతాను.
ఫ్లైటా?
లేదు సండే మార్నింగ్ ఫ్లైట్ ఉంది.
సండే మార్నింగ్ బెంగళూరు టు భోపాల్.
భోపాల్ టు బెంగళూరు.
మీరు ఇప్పుడు భోపాల్లో ఉన్నారా?
ఇప్పుడు లేదు సార్, రేపు పొద్దునే వెళ్తాను.
ఇవాళ రేపు మార్నింగ్ ఫ్లైట్ బెంగళూరు టు భోపాలా? ఓకే ఓకే. బెంగళూరు నుంచి భోపాల్కి ఉందా ఫ్లైట్?
అవును.
ఓకే. అగైన్ సండే
రేపు వెళ్తున్నాను. అక్కడ సండే వస్తాను.
రేపు కుదరదు అయితే?
అక్కడ ఎలాగుంటుందో తెలియదు. అక్కడ నేను చెప్తాను సార్ ఒకసారి. ఈమెయిల్ ఫాస్ట్ నెట్ అది
మనకి ఒక టైం పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంది మరి, లేదంటే
నేను మోస్ట్లీ నైట్ టైమ్స్ ఫ్రీనే ఉంటాను సార్. నాకు మెయిన్ ప్రాబ్లం అక్కడ వైఫై ఒకటే.
అదొక్కటి చూసుకోండి.
సరిపోతే నేను.
ఓకే ఓకే షూర్. ఓకే సార్ మరి.
Okay sir, right.
Okay, just send me through WhatsApp whichever information you are having.
Sure.
Accordingly.
Yeah.
Okay sir, thank you.
Definitely.
Bye. Good night.
Okay sir, thank you. Good night.
Right.